like a phoenix in my eyes. And although I really want, although I really try, there's no way to get me out of here. I'll linger here eternally. Repeat myself here endlessly. Seems to be that I'm not missed. Without perception, I cannot claim to exist. Every moment seems to come again, seems to come, and every whisper echoes in my head. I am running even though I know I can't. Till the end where I began. Emotions are coming down on me. There's no one to guide me from these streets. With a mind to call my own, my insanity is grown. Into an infinite degree, I have lost myself in me. I'm like a spiral going down, never know where I am bound. Swing softly, blocking out my sight. In suspension, I feel darker than the night. Forgive me, I know not what I see. Believe me, for I cannot believe. With a mind to call my own, my insanity is grown. Into an infinite degree, I have lost myself in me. Travel vectors taking me further down my lies. My life seems circular without an X or Y. There's no way to get me out of here. Repeat myself here endlessly.
rhyme double on a heavenly level. Bang the bass, turn up the treble. Radical mind day and night all the time. 714, flies divine. Maniac, radiac, winning the game. I'm the lyrical Jesse James. Attack, and you don't want that. I've got the power.
books are hard box.
Give me the